Hi everyone, I am Devinder and I will talk about my embedded system project to state finite machine. So first we will look into the connections and components used in this project. This is a 128 into 64 OLED display. This is a TNZ board and this acts as a master, this acts as a slave. Basically I2C communication is going on between these two components. So we use the SCL SDA 18 pin and this is SDA 19. So this is a clock signal going on between the display and the TNZ board. We also use the potentiometer, which has an analog value from 0 to 1023 and it is connected to a digital pin. And we have used two buttons. This is start reset button, start pause button, and this is a reset button. It is connected to a digital pin. So I'll start the game now. First, this is a home screen of the game which shows the Pong Game. I'll just start the game now. Look, the pedal is moved by the potentiometer and the score is displayed on the OLED screen. So you can see that the game is working and the score is increasing. Now I can pause the game from here and start the game from again here. As the game is, now you can see the game is over and the final score is displayed on the screen, and we will press the reset button. It will start again from the beginning. So this is my games working and I can pause it from here. Now I will explain the program used in this Arduino development environment software. So this is, I've done bit mapping to display the titles on the screen, and it is a hexadecimal value to display the score and the game over titles. So basically in this game we have used a reserved keyword Enum, which is used to simplify the program, and we have designed a state transition diagram which makes the program easy to read. And we have used different libraries like SPI, wire library, and Adafruit GFX, which is downloaded from the GitHub library. So first in the program we have defined a start button pin 6 and button reset pin 10. In the enum states we have defined the game start, game running, game pause, and game end. There are 5 states. We have used switch case statements for this particular program. So we will start from the first state, that is game start. In this state we have used a boolean expression for display running, which shows a false, that is not working. And we have used a unsigned long variable which is used for the extended variables, and its value has till 2 raised to power 32. So in this we have also defined an integer for the pin value A0 for potentiometer, and we have set the pixels for X and Y coordinates for the pedal. So the ball movements are also defined in the program with a value of X and Y. So it is like very easy to write the program in Enum, because we can extend the program and it's easy to analyze the single state at a time. So this is a pin mode built-in function which is used for defining the input pull-up registers of TNZ board, and it is set up for the buttons, and there is a delay used for 2000 milliseconds In this, like, we have used a special built-in function called attach interrupt to execute the single state of the button. To overcome that, the single state of the button is executed properly, even if start or stop. And for this, we have used another debouncing function to overcome the mechanical vibrations of the button, which is not good for the program or for the Tinsy board to execute, because sometimes button is pressed many times, so it's not executed properly. And we have used the command display.print ln for the displaying the characters. So characters is like is a variable, it's a data type used for displaying alphabets and numbers. So as you can see that we have broken the program into many parts, and the condition for ball bouncing of the balls. So this is my whole program looks like. You can see it. So basically in this program there were like two important things. One is using the enum according to the state transition diagram, and the other one is using the built-in functions like attach, interrupt and melees to overcome bouncing and button issues. So it was a really good project working on, and it has enabled me to program. It was a really good experience working on this game. So thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot.